and I'm building a robot, and his name's Homework, and I'm gonna build him homework today. So I'll start off with the weapons. I'm done with the weapons, so now I'm doing the arms. Now the arms are done, now I'm doing the legs. So you just really have to twist them. I push them, and then they'll just click in, basically. So now I've finished homework, and I finished it very quickly and fun, and this is how he looks now completed. Bye bye.